Hey guys, well, been organizing this box for about a day, picking up tools. Sorry I'm out of wind, I just lifted a 700-pound generator. So, here we go. Ratchet wrenches, feeler gauges, more of the big heavy equipment wrenches. I still got more to bring in. Somebody stole my bag. More sockets. Okay, let's open the bottom drawer and give you a better tour. I'm right here. Just one second. There we go. Added some more sockets. I got to put a light in that drawer. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to figure that out later on. Yeah. That's going to be pretty cool when I wire that up. And as you can see, the light bar is focus. It's dotted lights and wired in. And this toolbox is a maximum series toolbox. And it has the eyelet holes. And at the back of the box, it has, let's see if I can shine a light here. Hold on. I can't, yeah. See those holes? That's for the power bar. That's for the power bar. So anyway, back to the other end of the box. Vice grips, punches, files, line-up tool, clutch tool for adjusting the clutch on a heavy truck. That's your gapper. And then extensions. The knives should go up here. Knife right there. Scissors. They go up here. Anyway, it's starting to get organized. Electrical drawer and some wrenches. Shrink tubing here. Yeah. And then, fuck. Okay. Come on. I'm gonna put it in the deeper drawer, I guess. The deeper drawer, it's got, let's pull that out a bit. Yeah. More sockets and stuff. Yeah, I gotta really adjust that lighting. How am I gonna do that? I'm gonna adjust that. Do that now. Do this now. And while it's still there, adjust it back a bit. Just a minute. Adjust this light. There, that's better. It's in the dark. We can see better. It's hid by the just a minute. Hold on. Move this light all the way back a bit. There, that's better. Way better. Now you can see. So anyway, there you go. I'm quite happy with that. You know? Yeah. Quite happy with that. And more sockets, more pliers. And PT850. Take that fucking cover off. Cover's fucked anyway. Let's set that here for a minute. Let's set that here. So, I want to talk here. And Canadian Tire, you guys got to do something about your lighting in your toolboxes. I mean, yes, your sales are amazing. And have a look at this. This is fucking gorgeous. PT850 snap-on, $2,200. That's Canadian after it was $900 American and with the taxes, and comes with the $2,200 Canadian. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty awesome. So, yeah. And then I got a speed blaster, sand blaster, and then I got a snap-on. Actually, that's a Blue Point ratchet, and Blue Point grinder, iron force. Actually, that's Aircat iron force, I believe. Aircat. So let's see. I gotta get some more lighting. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, and there's the Chevy Impala SS emblem. And oh yeah, right here. Let's move this down a bit. Oh, that's much better. Tucked in there like that. And stick that all up there. Come on. There we go. That's much better. So, there's my taps. See if I get more lighting. Yeah, you can't see really that well right now. And we got some empty drawers. That's about it. Anyways, guys, my review of the Canadian Tire Maximum Series Toolbox is just absolutely amazing. It's much better than the Snap-on Mid-Series that you're going to pay $8,500 for. Anyway, if you want to see some of my videos on this toolbox, I'm not done with it yet. I'm going to take every drawer out and wire it with LED lights, and not the fruity flashing ones, white lights and a remote. Maybe might put a little color in there, but it's not going to be flashing like this. So anyway, guys, thanks for the follow, like, share, post. This is about the Maximum Series Toolbox and the customization of it. And my name is Peter, and I'm from Prince of Wales, Canada. Deuces.